Hey guys, Shayan this side, and today we have Bhaskar with us. So, to be honest, got a message today itself from Bhaskar that he got placed in a new company, and that's where I reached out to him that if you have anything new learning from your interview experience, definitely this is the platform you can share your learnings with us. And that's where he agreed, and here we are. So, welcome,
Yeah,
Bhaskar.
yeah, thank you.
So without wasting time, I'll start up Bhaskar in a quick, very straightforward question. Uh,
Yeah,
could you please tell us about yourself a bit?
yeah, yeah. So my name is Bhaskar. So I have done my graduation from NIT Silchar in 19 to 23, and then after my graduation, I got like a on-campus job. So there I was working for 1.3 1 year 3 months like that, and on that job, like I was exposed to Java and Spring Boot. So along with my job, then when I reached like 1 hour, then I was looking for other opportunities as well. And then as I was learning Java, like Java and Spring Boot in my organization, so then I was applying for jobs, and then like got the new job. So yeah,
Okay, got it, got
that's
it. So,
yes.
which company you joined? Is it again a startup or a product-based company, service-based company? Your
Product based
company name?
company.
Product-based
Yeah.
company. Eh,
Yes, yes.
So, what's the company name?
ABC Fitness.
ABC Fitness. Anything like why you decided that okay, uh, join from a startup
Yeah.
to a product-based company where you can get good learning in the startup itself.
So yeah, I will tell. So basically, while I was in college, so though like I was along with like I was from ECE, so along with my ECE, I was learning coding and development and stuff. So but I was not that much good
Mm.
during my college time. So when I was in my workplace, so like I want to challenge myself. Okay, let's do this. And while I was learning Java and Spring Boot, so it's like I started giving interviews also and started filling up forms, and like quietly I was active in LinkedIn also. And then like after going through some of the interviews, I got to know ki preparing for interviews and working on a company is two very different things.
Correct.
So like I was very confident in Java and Spring Boot ki I can build, like if I have a task and that is using Java and Spring Boot, then I can build this. But while I was going into interviews, then the question they are asking, I am like, like I am missing out something or something like that, because I was not able to answer a single question. So then I was searching interview question and stuff like that, and I got your videos also, like Java and Spring Boot everything. Then like after the interview journey starts, like then I started giving interviews. I've given almost 5 to 6 interviews. Like for some companies, it's 2 rounds like that, and then finally I got the job. So
Yeah,
it's not like
yeah.
I've got my point, right?
Yeah, I
So
think what I understand is why you switched from startup to product is you just went with the flow. You just
yes,
giving
yes,
interviews while wanting to learn what's going on, and while
yes,
giving the interviews, failure, learning, you got the job and you
yes,
decided to change it. Okay.
yes, yes,
You give that you have given 5, 6 interviews. So
yes.
and you also mentioned that in the college you are not good in DSA and all.
No, no, no,
So
no. I
how
was
you
not that much
prepared?
good.
Like how much time you were giving
Yeah.
and what's your strategy for the preparation?
So, like for DSA, what I used to do is, so I used to pick one topic like array or linked list or something like that, and I used to go to lead code and I used to sort the problems like easy to hard. There is a sort. So
Okay.
then first you should take the easy problem, and by like coming up with a solution, you should not used to like first used to go to the optimal solution. If you are coming up with the a solution, that is fine, and then by like when your basics is cleared, then you can jump up to like next problems. That
Got
is.
it.
And also along with DSA, Java core also is very important. So I used to watch YouTube videos, like your Java playlist is very good, Java and Spring Boot. And also I used to read documentations and notes, so that really helped me in this
Got it.
DSA and Spring.
Got
And
it.
also
So,
like Java and DSA, I used to learn in the same way. Like suppose in the morning I used to do DSA, because DSA demands your concentration, right? So that's when I used to study DSA. And suppose I have some free time in between my office, and then I used to just watch some videos. Suppose one topic, Java one topic, I used to videos like that I have prepared.
Okay, okay. So how much time like
four
DSA
to five
in the
hours
morning? Oh, 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah.
Like how you are
Yes, in
able
a
to
day.
come up that much time during office? Like so morning, how
Yeah.
much time you able to get?
It's like I used to go to the gym, so that's why like along with my study, along with my office, I used to go to the gym. So during this preparation, I stopped going to the gym and gave that time to DSA.
Okay, okay,
So that's really helped me
okay.
like to
Got it. And
prepare. Yes.
for how much duration? Like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So how much
Yeah,
time it
DSA I started around 3 4 months, but Java core and everything you can say 2 months, two
two
to
months?
three
Okay.
months.
Got
Yeah.
it, got it, got it. And you are all doing this in parallel. So it's not like one
Yes.
case is
Yes.
okay, got it.
DSA I was sticking to it. Like I was solving since 3 4 months. I was at least one or two problem I was solving every day.
Okay. You said you give 5, 6 interviews. How did you bring those interviews, Bhaskar?
Yeah. So for interviews, I was using at first I used to apply through LinkedIn, and then I used to got to know about Naukri also. So mostly I used to get calls from the recruiter from Naukri. So Naukri profile, your Naukri profile should be very good. Like it should be 100% completed. You should add everything, whatever it takes to in your Naukri profile, like your projects and whatever in the resume you have given, it should be. And also one thing what I did is, so Naukri, for the recruiters there is a different Naukri profile, right? So they used to search on the basis of keyword, like they need Java developers, so they used to search Java, like that. So that's why you should give those keywords in your profile, so that when they search Java, your profile should come up. So that's one. And I every day for 10 like 5 to 10 minutes I used to check my Naukri profile, and I used to update something like my resume or something like that, so that it is like the updated profile got more priority. So that one thing I did. And also I have tailored my LinkedIn also. I used to post something like in a week. I used to post something in a LinkedIn, so that really helped me a lot. Because suppose when I am posting something, then my some of my friends used to call me ki, are you looking for a job or something like that. So then what happen is, suppose there is a opening in any one of my friends organization, they used to call me ki, are you looking for a job, there is a opening in our company, so okay, like I can refer you, something like that. So that LinkedIn post also really helped me.
Got it. So
Yeah.
this
So
ABC fitness, right?
yeah.
You got it from Naukri or LinkedIn? Like which help?
Naukri, I got it from Naukri.
Naukri, right? Got it. Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. So anything changes also you have made in your resume? I see that you said you are from NIT Silchar, right?
Yes.
And from that you started with a startup, and
Yes.
then now you changed to a product-based company, well-established
Yeah.
company.
Yes.
So do you think that something you had to change in your resume to get shortlisted,
Yes. 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 Yes.
or NIT
See,
brand
nowadays, no,
helps?
no, NIT brand, like sometimes it may help. I will not say ki it will not help. It always help. If you are from a good college, because the most, like the biggest help if you are from a good college is your network. You will
Hmm.
be having friends. Today, I have friends in Amazon. I have friends in Google, so that they can guide me ki, to get there. You can do this. So that is one of the biggest but the rest you have to do, you are on your own, you have to do the hard work to get there. So but resume, I would say project should be good. Like for me, I have worked on some project from scratch in my previous organization. So and also I want to add one thing ki, when I was discussing my project with the interviewer, I made a presentation of it. So mostly what people do is they used to explain by showing the code, but that is not a good way. If your I think so, if your project is very big, then you will not be able to like explain everything.
Mm.
So I made a presentation out of it, so
Oh,
that really helped me to explain the project.
actually,
So
this is the first time I'm hearing like explain the project using presentation. Like, got it.
yes, yes,
Nice one,
that
nice
is
one. So, based on your five, six, seven interviews, could you
yeah,
summarize what are the like you applied for SD2 or SD1?
SD1.
You applied for SD1, right?
Yeah,
So, for mostly SD1 roles, what are the different rounds happen, like DSA, or can you
yeah.
segregate based on companies you applied? It might help.
For some companies they are like using they have like DSA round, and then system design round, and then HR round, like that.
Okay.
And for some companies they are mostly focusing on development,
Hmm.
like not DSA. Like I have interviewed by Browser Stack also, and
Okay.
also this ABC Fitness. So they haven't asked me any like DSA kind of problem. They were into like mostly they like, and they used to give me one task, like suppose one task, and they used to give me some time. Some companies is like there will be having a meeting of 3 or 4 hours, you have to build it.
Okay.
And then for some companies it's like they will give you 2 days or 3 days to make it, and based on that project or API whatever it is, they will take your interviews. For like some of my friends were also giving interviews, so they like in some of the interviews they are asking system design, like LLD of something or something like that. But in my experience, they mostly they have asked HLD to me.
Acha.
Like suppose in my recent interview ABC Fitness, they was asking ki if you have more time, what is the next step you would do? And
Okay.
suppose if you have to make it scalable, what will
Okay.
be the next step you would do?
Mm-hmm.
Like I haven't encountered like LLD of this like that kind of. But some of my friends who are in a good company currently, they have also switched from startup to companies, so they have encountered some of the LLD questions also. I like when I was exploring system design from like your playlist, I got like HLD is easy for me, like I was able to understand. But LLD is, I got LLD little bit tough. So that's why I used to think ki, let first focus on the core concepts first, and then I will move up to LLD. So during this journey I just got the opportunity,
Okay.
so that is one thing.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
I think you have also while learning Java videos, Spring Boot videos, you also learned, I think, HLD videos also. So
Yes,
I'm,
HLD I have was, because in the browser stack they
yeah,
were asking HLD. So
okay, got
that's when I have gone through the videos, like where I still remember ki when I was giving interview, like when my second like when my first round is done, then in 2 days I have watched all of your HLD videos, 2 or 3 days
2 days.
like that. Yeah. So
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much. So I got the rounds and like how your preparation. So any learning which you got and I haven't asked, you wanted to share with the other engineers, and definitely you can go ahead, man.
yeah. So basically, like wherever in whatever stage you are, you should like learn a little bit more, and you should be active. Like like what in the what is the expectation of the interviewer. So that's what I would say. You should learn more, and you should always have a learning attitude, because you are a software engineer, right? You have to build things. So at the end of the day, you have to solve problems. So you should not stick to something like some tech stack or something like that. You should be a problem solver. So
Problem.
that will be my
Awesome.
advice.
Cool. Thanks a lot, man. This is a
Yeah.
short notice, and I know it's a late night, almost 12
No, it's
o'clock
fine. It's fine.
at night. So I won't stress this a bit, but thanks for giving. And I will share your LinkedIn profile in the description section. So if any engineers has more questions or want to go more in depth, they will
Yeah.
definitely reach out to you. Will that be okay with you?
Yes. 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 That is okay.
Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
Bhaskar, for
Yeah.
your time
Thank.
and congratulations again.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.